Is your 3PL warehouse management system performing at its best? Managing a 3PL requires not just having a robust system, but ensuring it functions optimally. Today, we'll guide you through the essential steps for conducting an annual review of your WMS to ensure it aligns perfectly with your business objectives. Let's get started on enhancing your system for success. Integration efficiency. How well does your 3PL WMS integrate with critical business systems like ERP, accounting, and EDI? Proper integration ensures smooth operations. User engagement. Are all team members fully utilizing your 3PL WMS? An intuitive interface and effective training maximize the system's benefits. Inventory accuracy. Your 3PL WMS should provide precise, real-time tracking across all locations to prevent costly inventory errors. Operational streamlining. Does your 3PL WMS support efficient order processing, from picking to shipping? Features like mobile barcode smart scanning enhance speed and accuracy. Customer satisfaction. A happy customer is a repeat customer. Your 3PL WMS should help you provide quick and accurate information, ensuring every interaction with your clients is as smooth as possible. This functionality not only improves the client experience, but also boosts your reputation and leads to better business outcomes. Insightful reporting. Good decisions come from good data. Check if your 3PL WMS delivers comprehensive reports that help you make smart moves. Software updates. Your 3PL WMS should receive regular updates with the latest features and security enhancements to meet current and future challenges. ROI evaluation. Finally, is your investment paying off? Ensure the cost of your WMS is justified by the benefits it brings. As we've seen today, a finely tuned WMS is more than just technology. It's the backbone of your 3PL operations. Ensuring it meets your business needs is not just good practice, it's essential for your success. If you've identified areas for improvement or are considering an upgrade, C2W Inventory offers innovative solutions tailored for 3PL operations. Visit us at c2wtechnology.com to see how we can help enhance your system's performance. Enjoyed this walkthrough? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights. Thank you for watching, and here's to optimizing your 3PL operations.